Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we are going to share information related to the tightness of the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine. In terms of design, the film of the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine uses up and bottom rolls of film. Each roll of film passes through several rollers to increase the extensibility and storage of a certain amount of the film. Next, we are going to demonstrate the sealing knife of the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine. The working principle of sealing is very simple. First, seal the upper and lower films, and then cut the film with a hot cutting wire. Before the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine is officially put into use, we need to manually align the seal of the film of the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine. This operation ensures that the PE film will not deviate during the film wrapping process. Otherwise, it will affect the aesthetics. This occurs mainly when each roll of PE film is used up and when the equipment is just being used. The purpose is that even when a new roll of PE film is used, even the first package can be wrapped tightly, compactly, and beautifully. Next, let Engineer Wang show the packaging effect of the four-sided polystyrene sheet packing machine. In the video, you can see that our packaging effect is very flat. In addition, even if we manually drop the EPS sheets to the ground, the packaging will not scatter. This proves that the effect on packaging tightness is satisfactory. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.